We're here to celebrate a belated congratulations for Mommy's new job. She is now the breadwinner of the family. Daddy retired. And also a belated happy birthday, happy Mother's Day celebration.
Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche. Welcome to beautymagz. Today, nandito tayo sa SM Seaside. Okay, it's after 12 o'clock and now me and Daddy is going to eat something. I don't know what. Daddy said we are going to eat something different we haven't tried before. We have Tokyo here in the background. We have classic savory. I haven't tried that. We got Burger King, Yanyan's favorite onion rings, and some here, Johnny's. I haven't tried that, I think. I don't know. Perfume section over here. Okay, and another one, of course, Pizza Hut. It's not new, something new. And there is a what? Bibing kinitan. I haven't tried that. Anyway, I wanna eat something. Gutom na guys. Oh, there's a chicken deli over there. Is it Johnny? Oh yeah, it's Johnny's. There's a bonchon chicken. I don't know what's that. Oh, let's see where Daddy is. Okay. Maybe we'll try this one, bon chicken. It's his choice, so we'll see. We got some play area for the kids over here. Yes, okay. Yeah.
Hi, I'm building this house.
Which one?
This house.
Wow, look at that. Yanyan's building a house. What is that, Yan? Is a Minecraft game?
Yeah.
Yes, my 4-year-old is building a house. See that? So we're just waiting for Daddy right now. Daddy's upstairs to get some mula. So my makeup of the day, very simple. Moisturizer with Max Fix Powder Foundation. That's my go-to all the time. No concealer on. You can see all the eye bags here. A little bit of a brow from Benefit Browsings, which is my favorite. I'll just line my eyebrow with a flat definer brush. Very simple, quick one. I can do it like 1 minute. And just lip gloss. I'm always wearing a lip gloss. Okay, I'll show you. I still bought it from the States and it's still my go-to here, my Aqua 4 lip gloss. So that's what, when you have dry lips, use that Aqua 4 because it does really help you with your dry lips, which mine does. I think you already notice that every time in my video because my lip is just like a desierto. Okay guys, gutom na ako guys. Makuyapan na inyong beauty dili ba? Anyway, trying to amuse myself while waiting for my dada. People are watching me, it's like, what is this girl doing? Talking to herself in a camera. Pag vlogger ka, dapat ka pala ng mukha. Talaga mga tao guys, talagang na-amuse sila sa akin ha. Well, ito na ang buhay life vlogger. Magpakapalan na tayo ng mukha, no? For the sake of vlogging. Okay guys, I'll check you kung saan na kami kakain. Okay, check back with you later. Meron ka ng mula. Okay, ang aking financer.
Hi, we're here at Rib Shack in SM Cebu. We're here to celebrate a belated congratulations for Mommy's new job. She is now the breadwinner of the family. Daddy retired. And also a belated happy Mother's Day celebration. Yeah, we have that. So Mommy chose Rib Shack. Have a look. Okay, it's mommy's day off. It's the weekend, Thursday and Friday. She's off. Yeah. Okay, so long from Cebu.
Ayan, dito na kami sa rep shop. Oh, yan guys ha. Treat ni Daddy yan. So yan, maglalaro ko naman. Okay, my cucumber lemonade drink. We got 2 iced teas. Spare ribs over here. Yum! So this is my baby back ribs. Is it? Baby what? Oh, this is back ribs. Sauce, rice, and achara. Okay. And the other one, we got some skewer. Very small. Oh my my. Na ang aming food.
Welcome na.
The beef kebab is so tiny. I can just eat in one shot.
Leave my kebab alone, man.
What? I will not gonna touch it. I'm not allowed. At Alamo. This will be our dessert. Yum. No, it's not. We're just gonna get this part. We are going to get original brownie. That's what we are getting. Okay, the lady is preparing it right now over there at the counter. Yan is eating his pretzels from Auntie Anne's. Yes. What do you think of the Auntie Anne's pretzels?
Good.
Yum yum.
It's fresh.
Yes, it's very
It's
soft.
fresh. It's very soft.
and yummy in my tummy.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Oh, here's our dessert. Top with chocolate chips. Oh, chips ka na.
Oh, it's warm.
Oh, ito na guys. So, yan. Warm siya. Warm na warm. Okay, kain ko muna, okay? Hello guys, nandito na kami sa Ace. Okay, nagpa-reserve kami ng mga goodies. Transformer for my lights. We're gonna take 2. Gonna reserve it tomorrow because there's an ongoing sale tomorrow. Hindi pa ngayon. Kaya reserve na lang muna. So I can use my relights, guys. Gusto ko nang mag beauty tutorial. Yan. Hopefully we can get it tomorrow. No problem. And then, yan. Dito lang kami muna. And nagpa-reserve na rin ako na. Yan. See, nagpa-reserve na. Ganito pala. Dapat mag-reserve para hindi mawala ng stocks. Okay? Alright, guys. Yan lang muna.